Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to add music to your BeReal post, so let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and make sure that you have Spotify or Apple Music linked into your account. Tap on the profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. And then from here tap on the three dots again on the top right corner. From here tap on Music. And then as you can see here, I have Spotify linked in. If you're on an iPhone, you can even have Apple Music linked in. Once you have that done, make sure that you have a song playing in the background from Spotify or Apple Music. I have this song right here playing in the background. Let's leave it playing and go back to BeReal. I go ahead and tap on Take Your BeReal. It's going to open my camera. I go ahead and take my BeReal. Now before sending or posting the BeReal, go ahead and tap here and make sure that it is set to shared and not private. Again, shared, and that's how we do it. Tap on send. Once you send it, the BeReal will have music in it, and that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.